So it is Thursday, and that means we are back in Lynn Matava's kitchen. Lynn is a nutrition educator with the University of Maryland Extension.
And if you're looking for a quick and easy pasta dish, then she has the perfect tomato recipe for you. Let's check it out.
I'm going to show you a quick and easy meal idea you can throw together in a few minutes. So today I have these very fresh heirloom tomatoes that came from a local farm, Chesterfield Heirlooms. They're also at the farmers market at Camden Avenue on Tuesdays. And these are just gorgeous, all sorts of great colors in there, greens and yellows and orange and red, and they're bursting with flavor. And all we're going to do with those is throw those in an oven-safe dish, drizzle with a little bit of oil, cooking oil, and then we're going to do a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Said that backwards. And we're going to pop these into a 375-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. And what comes out of the oven is these gorgeous tomatoes. I also threw an entire garlic clove on there in the skin because that gave them a nice roasted flavor while they were in the oven, gives them a little extra garlic flavor. And then we're going to just toss this with some pasta. Now you can do this with so many summer vegetables, your zucchinis, eggplants, yellow squash. Just throw them in the oven in bite-sized pieces, roast them for a few minutes. Cooked pasta. Pull that garlic clove out. And what you could do with this garlic clove is you could squeeze it out and mash it up. You get this nice paste that you can either mix into your pasta or use for something else, because this is fully cooked in like a roasted paste now. It also gave great flavor to these tomatoes. Going to drizzle just a little bit of extra olive oil, a little bit of fresh pepper, and some cheese. And to finish this off, we are going to take just a little bit of fresh basil, and I'm laying maybe 3 leaves on top of each other and rolling them up so I can kind of cut these nice little ribbony pieces to go across the top. And just like that, we have a taste of summer in a bowl ready to eat. I hope you try this out. If you like it, let us know what you think.
As a reminder, we do have all the Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's tips and tricks on our website. Just head on over to WMDT.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page.
And share your version of this delicious recipe by using the hashtag UMDYum.